Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 6 ways to use list comprehension in Python. Number 1. The syntax for list comprehension is expression for item in iterable followed by an optional if condition in square brackets. On line 3, I'm defining a list called db_table_list. Say I wanted to create a new list from all the items that contain the keyword property. To do that, I can create an if property in item statement within a for loop. However, you can do the same thing in one line using the list comprehension syntax. Number 2, the expression can contain a print function. Here I'm printing the item for all the items in DB table list where the item contains the keyword property. Number 3, the if condition in the list comprehension syntax is optional. Here I'm printing all the items in the DB table list without any if condition. Number 4, iterable can be a range function. In this example, I'm printing all the items within the range of 1 to 4. Note 4 is exclusive, so the output will contain 1, 2, and 3. Number 5. The expression can contain an if-else condition. Here I'm printing all the items that contain the keyword property in uppercase and everything else in lowercase. Last but not the least, number 6. Use the Walrus operator to run an expression while simultaneously assigning output to a variable in list comprehension. Here I'm printing two numbers in a random range of 1 to 1000 where the number is greater than equal to 50. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.